Hey guys, it's Jen from Todd Sparkle Market, located in East Liverpool, East Palestine, Chester, and New Cumberland with this week's segment of Great Groceries. Tune in each week for great recipes and money-saving tips from Todd Sparkle Market. Save big at Sparkle this week when we make Sparky's caramel pretzel bits. Let's get started. In the microwave, I melted down one 11-ounce package of chocolate chips, and to that I'm going to add half a package of peanut butter chips. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, I'll add some pretzels. Now we'll top our pretzels off with our chocolate mixture. Once I've covered my pretzels in chocolate, I will simply drizzle some melted caramel on top, and put it in the refrigerator until it becomes nice, hard, and crispy. And then you can break it up into smaller bits for serving. Remember, you can always see this recipe made on the web at www.toddsparklemarket.com. Try it out and tell us what you think of it on our Facebook page, facebook.com/sparklemarket. I'm Jen from Todd Sparkle Market with another segment of Great Groceries. Thanks for watching. See you next week.